Hi and welcome to this instructional video on how to personalize your Chipy.com account. First, let's start by logging into Chipy.com. Simply click the Login button located in the top right corner of the page. Next, hover over your username in the top right corner and select Settings from the user menu. Once you're in the Settings page, you'll see a section called Profile. Here, you can edit your name, gender, birth date, country, password, and avatar. To begin editing, click the orange Edit Details button. To reset your password, click on Reset Password and we'll automatically send you an email with the reset instructions. Once you've finished making your changes, click the orange Save New Details button to update your account. And that's it. Your account details are now updated. Don't forget, you can also edit your Chipy avatar from the profile window. We have a dedicated guide for editing your avatar if you need it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@chipy.com. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy customizing your Chipy account.